Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you the abdominal section within the Review of Systems panel. The abdomen consists of the area below the diaphragm to the rectum. The liver, uterus, kidneys and various other organs can be found under the abdominal wall muscle, which all play a vital role in the daily life. This tutorial video will start on an open general examination form, Review of Systems panel. For more information regarding the general examination form, please refer to the General Examination Overview User Manual linked in this video's description. Click on the Review of Systems panel. The Review of Systems panel will expand. Click on the Abdominal subpanel. The Abdominal subpanel will expand. Click on an illustrated image of the abdomen to open the video capture screen. For more information regarding the video capture screen, please refer to the How to Upload an Image Photo user manual linked in this video's description. Click on a Close button to return to the abdominal panel without saving any changes. Click on a Save button to save any changes made on the video capture screen. Click on the Inspection button once to indicate that the inspection has occurred. The shape, coloration and various other visual aspects of the abdomen are examined for abnormalities. The Inspection button will turn green, which is an indication of normal findings. Click on the Inspection button a second time, which turns the button red. The red is an indication that findings have been logged within the button and are not within normal range. Click on a General Notes text box to make any necessary notes. The General Notes field is a free text field. Click on the Inspection button for a third time to deselect the button and collapse all of the information found within the Inspection button. The practitioner will carefully palpate the patient's abdomen, feeling for any signs of organ enlargement or tenderness. The practitioner will repeatedly tap around the wall of the patient's abdomen as part of the physical examination. Auscultation is performed using a stethoscope placed on various spots of the abdomen. Any additional notes can be made within the General Notes button. Click on a Close button to exit the clinical case screen without saving. Click on a drop-up menu next to the Save and Close button for more saving options. Clicking on the Save button will allow the user to save the changes made to the form. Clicking on the Save Lines to New Macro button will allow the user to create a new macro. For more information on how to use macros, please refer to the Macros Billing Combinations with Modifiers user manual linked in this video's description. Click on the Save and Close button to save the general examination form and return to the diary screen.